start out, I know a lot of the presentations today have been around the back end of your system and processing, so I'm going to bring everyone way up front to where we're collecting the photons to begin with. And just to give a little background, I work with Edmund Optics, and we design and manufacture final lens assemblies to put on your cameras, and also a lot of the individual components that would go into your final lens assemblies. And we work across all different industries. So we do a lot of work in factory automation and machine vision applications, and we do that in a lot of different industries. So medical device, defense, autonomous vehicles. We've seen kind of a lot of the applications out there, and how a lot of the applications are going into remote and autonomous and embedded systems. So when we think of embedded systems, we think of many industries, many applications, and things from the factory floor out into the fields. And I'm curious, for this audience here, how many people are working on autonomous applications or autonomous vehicles? Okay, is there anybody doing defense applications or medical device? Okay, we have kind of a variety. And consumer, who would say they're working on some end consumer product? Okay. So the exciting part that we see from an optics point of view is that everything we learn from these different industries and applications really cross over. And there's a few trends that we've been seeing for a lot of these applications recently. Today, I hope to introduce some of the challenges and the effects of optics that you're going to see in your final image, despite what your application is. I'll go over some basic theory and the root cause to some of the effects on your image, and hopefully answer two questions. Why should we care so much about the optical effects on your image, and why care about the root cause or theory to those effects? And overall, better data in is going to be better data out. We have a lot of fun and exciting new techniques to process image data, but if you don't get good data or information up front, you're not able to process it. So, and then towards the end of the presentation, I'll try to concentrate, depending on how much time we have, on getting good design and specifications up front in your optics of your system, and also thinking of design in terms of what your manufacturing and calibration or test is going to be during manufacturing.